Friends, I'm speechless. I'm humbled and speechless. Hey, you got a little limp in your step, huh? You're a little gimpy, huh? Do you know how many people love you? You know how many people care about you? I wish you had an idea. Oh, a little bit of a limpy dog. I'm just gonna sit down right here. Good girl. Well, she comes outside and she loves to be out here. And she just sits because it hurts to move around too much. She just sits and surveys her domain. But I tell you what, I can't wait to see her speeding around here again. I can't wait to see her walk without that limp in her gait. And I can't wait to see her without pain. So, again, you guys have made it possible. It was not even 24 hours ago that I reached out to all of you, my wonderful viewers, and I told you of my dog Phoebe's condition that requires surgery. And I mentioned to you all that I was going to put up a GoFundMe to help offset the cost of surgery, which is around $5,000. And, I thought, well, I don't do channel memberships and I don't do sponsorships or anything like that. So I thought I'd just throw it out there and just see if maybe my viewers wanted to help support our channel in that way by helping cover the cost of Phoebe's surgery, since she is such a beloved member of our channel and she is our mascot here. Friends, I'm overwhelmed. Within 2 hours we reached our goal, and as the campaign continued, you all just continued with your generosity, and we have made, I finally closed it down this morning when I got up and noticed that we had made over $6,000 of donations. Your generosity has been absolutely stunning. I'll be honest with you, I expected maybe $300-400 max. I expected, a few $5 here and there. And we were just trying to kind of see what we would we were just kind of, we were putting it out there. I wasn't sure if I should do this because, sometimes GoFundMe is received negatively by people, but you all received it so well, and some of you even said it's a strong man who asks for help. I believe that. I mean, everybody needs help, and it's only those who are stubborn and sometimes foolish that won't ask for help. But well, I thought I'd ask, and you all came through, and man, I'm so grateful. I am absolutely, I don't have words for it. I can't express how grateful our family is for all of you who gave. Some of you gave very, very generously, and some of you gave what you could. And believe me, every single one of them is appreciated. I went through the list of people. There are so many anonymous donors, and I thank you too. But the ones who had a name attached to them, I have given thanks for you. I'm a praying man. I believe in prayer. I believe in God. I believe in God's providence. So I have thanked God for each of you by name, and I appreciate that. So here's the deal. We received so much support, so much overwhelming support from you, that we will be able to cover Phoebe's surgery and her recovery. If there's any left over, and there may be, I'm pretty sure there will be, I'm going to put that money aside in a protected way. It will not be touched. You gave it in good faith that it would be used for offsetting our cost of vet care and surgery for Phoebe. I'm going to keep it that way. The surgeon said that we should expect that Phoebe will need the same surgery on her other leg just because of the way her bone structure is, and, well, it's likely it's going to happen again. If it does, we will use that fund, those funds that you have given, we will use that to help offset the cost of that surgery should it come to be. If it does not happen and Phoebe lives out her life naturally without needing that surgery, that money will still be there. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to donate that money to a local pet rescue or the local a local pet foundation, and that will ensure that your generosity towards Phoebe will be donated in her name to help other dogs that are also in need. So that's what I intend to do. I don't intend to let your donation be in vain. So thank you so much. I also wanted to say that in my video that I put up the other day, which I will be taking down at some point, it's not a monetized video, but you guys have responded so well to it, but I don't think it really needs to be there. What do you think? Should I leave that video up? I don't think that video needs to be there now that we've met our goal. But in that video I said, if you don't agree with this, that's fine. And I know a lot of you don't agree with, with donating to help somebody offset the cost of their vet surgery. And I mentioned if that's you, just pass on by. But, somebody, one of my commenters, one of my more salty commenters over time has said that I should stop doing socialism for my vet bills. And, that just rubbed me wrong, because socialism is forced on people. Socialism is, give me your money and your property, and I'll redistribute it, and from the government. Socialism is forced. What you guys have done is not socialism. You guys have shown group empathy, and voluntarily, out of the kindness of your heart, out of the generosity of your soul, have responded to help another person, somebody that you find that they give something of value and you want to pay back. It's voluntary. And that's just such a far cry from those who believe that crowdfunding and crowdsourcing is some sort of a coercion or socialistic. It's not. It's the essence of charity. It's the essence of love and friendship. It's the essence of voluntarily, if you desire, helping someone out. And so I'm very grateful for all of you who see it that way. And if you don't see it that way, that's perfectly fine. I respect your opinion, and I'm grateful that those of you who don't agree with it just did indeed pass it on by, and you still find value in our content, our channel. In fact, today I'll be working on a video with actual garden content. So I just wanted to come on and thank you and tell you that I'm stunned. I'm literally, I don't know what to say about all your generosity. Except all I can do is say thank you and continue to try to put out good content that is useful to you, that you find to be worthy of subscribing to my channel and coming back. And you know what makes my channel so valuable to me is not the revenue we might make off of it. It's not even the produce I get out of the garden. It's the community. You know what? Every morning I wake up, I get my coffee, and I go through comments. And I hope you know that I read them all. I try to respond to the ones that have good questions in them. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff that comes in every day, and I read them all. Know that I read them all. And I hope you also know that I like them all, and I give them a heart. Not every YouTube content creator gives their commenters a heart. I just want to make sure that you know that I read it, I like it, and I value your comments. I value the community in the comment section. That's what makes my channel so rewarding. I hope you know that. So thank you so much. We are very touched. We are moved. We consider ourselves very blessed. Thank you for supporting Phoebe. I will give you updates on Phoebe as she goes through this procedure. It is scheduled for February the 8th. And then recovery, obviously, will be many, many weeks after that. We're going to document the whole thing so that you can see our little beloved pet, our garden mascot, Phoebe, the black Gumbo Southern Gardening good girl. We will be able to document her recovery, and hopefully we'll see her zooming around here again. So thank you so much. I just wanted to put this out there and make sure that you understand just how touched and moved we are and how blessed we consider ourselves to be. Thanks to you. So happy gardening to you. We're going to have another video coming up very soon, probably this evening. Gardening content. I got to get busy on that. So I'll talk to you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.